The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is the company's upcoming flagship smartphone lineup. While the new devices are expected to launch in early 2024, a new dummy unit leak has revealed the possible design of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S24 series dummy units. The images of the dummy units were shared by tipster Sonny Dickinson on X, formerly Twitter. It is unclear if these are official dummy units of the Galaxy S24 smartphones. But these alleged dummy pictures hint at the design of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus retain the flat back and rounded corners, while the top-end Ultra model retains a more boxy design. Simply put, the design of the upcoming Samsung flagship phones is quite similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 lineup. There are some slight design element changes, which include flatter sides. Previous rumors had hinted at the various new colors of the Galaxy S24 lineup. The devices are expected to arrive in multiple variants like black, purple, and gold color options. But the dummy units can be seen in a white color hue only. Keep in mind that this is still just an unconfirmed leak, so take this report with a pinch of salt for now. In related news, the Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to feature an improved display and higher RAM offering, while the lineup was teased to feature a new AI feature that helps in real-time language translation.